Hello, beautiful people. Before we start this video, please check the first link in the description. Most girls often dream of having bigger and bouncy boobs. It's one of the things that can increase your self-confidence. But don't get me wrong, sweetie. Not having large breasts is beautiful too. It's just, women have different perspectives on what can make them feel beautiful. You must be one of those girls who's wondering if you can make your breasts grow overnight. You wouldn't be here if you're not looking for some answers on how you can make your breasts larger. So, here are some ways on how you can make your breasts grow naturally. 1. Eat nutritious foods. Nutritious food is excellent for your overall health. But another reason for you to eat nutritious food is that it can enlarge your breasts as well. Although not all of it has breast enlargement compounds, most of it does. Here are the foods you need to add to your meal if you want to have bigger breasts. Foods that has healthy fats. If you notice, when you lose some weight, your breasts do the same way too. This is because your breasts are made up of fatty adipose tissue. So what you need to do is eat foods that contain healthy fats such as monounsaturated fats. You can find monounsaturated fats in olive oil, nuts, avocados, and many more. These healthy fats can make you lose weight without affecting your breasts. In fact, it even makes it larger. What you need to be mindful of are those trans fats. This can be found in fast foods, processed foods, and foods that have preservatives. This will not make your breasts grow. Instead, it will only end up in other parts of your body, such as thighs, belly, and arms. Foods that are rich in estrogen. Estrogen is the primary female hormone which is also responsible for the development of your breasts. Foods that are high in estrogens such as sesame seeds, dried fruits, soybeans, peaches, berries, and many more, can aid in breast growth. 2. Doing breasts massages. Massaging your breasts might seem a little awkward, but it can definitely make your breasts grow. Also, it can help your sagging breasts to tone and be firmer. To do this effectively, you need to warm your breasts first before massaging it. You can rub both your hands or apply a warm pack to your breasts. Now, gradually massage your breasts in a circular motion for at least 10 minutes. Do this twice or thrice a week, and you will see improvement on your breasts. While you can't make your breasts grow in just a span of overnight, you can try these effective ways to make your breasts larger over time. Doing these effective ways can definitely make you more confident having firmer and sexier boobs. I hope this will help you. Please, feel free to ask if you have any questions. Please, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.